A warm welcome to all the officials of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti for the presentation of NVS Incentive Awards 2017-18 from K. Srinivasulu, Vice Principal, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Prakasham 1, Hyderabad Region. My journey in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas. As a PGT Chemistry, joined in 31st July 1992. My total service as a PGT chemistry was 20 years approximately. I worked at JNV Khammam, Nizamabad and Prakasham of Andhra Pradesh. As a vice principal, I have joined on 10th April 2012 at JNV Chirang, Assam State, and worked as principal in charge at JNV Lohit, Arunachal Pradesh for 6 months. Later came back to JNV Chirang, Assam and worked as in charge principal for almost 4.5 years. My total service in Northeast was 5 years and 2 months. Total my vice principal service was 8 years so far. I worked at JNV Bongaigaon district of Assam before getting transferred to Andhra Pradesh from Northeast, and I have taken up many works, beautification works, along with our principal Mr. Sanjay Kumar sir. You can see the Sir Jubair Ahmad sir in the picture. At JNV Chirang, Assam State, after a struggle of 2.5 years, I could take over this building. Academic performance since 2015. In the year 2017, class 12th, the result was showing here of JNV Bongaigaon, Assam State. And in the year 2018, class 12th, result also I am showing here, where I taught D block elements, coordination compounds, polymer chemistry and capsules in organ chemistry, etc. Along with these classes, this class 12th, I have been teaching class 10th and even 11th also few chapters. Thank you. Samples of commendation certificates that was got by me. The certificate given by MHRD Srimati Smriti Jubin Irani, that was given to me in the year 2015 due to academic excellence for class 10th at JNV Chirang, Assam State. The second certificate of merit was given by Dr. Pola Bhaskar, IAS, Prakasham district of Andhra Pradesh, due to my meritorious work at JNV Prakasham 1. Thank you. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Prakasham, Ongole district is facing lot of problem with water. After my arrival here, I have consulted local MLA and put forward much efforts and taken water from the local municipality. The water that we are getting now is of treated water, that is the chlorinated water. Please click on the video to see when we have taken the connection, the testing of connection the beginning day. This is the old dining hall for girls, which was renovated and tiles work was done. Now the dining hall is looking very beautiful. Thank you. A shed was made for the new generator installed at JNV Prakasham 1. The work comes under the M&R head. I have monitored all the works. Thank you. Under M&R works, we have constructed a room for refrigerator for boys, and we have done flooring for Shivalik A boys, which was repaired very nicely because it was sink too much. That is why it needs to repair, and we have done it. Now students are very happy. Thank you. This is the blasted transformer during the rains in the year 2018. It got repaired in a week completely, but the electricity was restored immediately within 3 hours in the Vidyalaya by using a standby transformer by consulting a local man. And the work that was done by me was appreciated by the principal madam and all the staff members and all the family members of the Vidyalaya that day. Thank you everyone. As a center superintendent, I have maintained social distancing while conducting CBSE exams 2020, and I have followed all the instructions that were given by Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti as well as CBSE meticulously. Thank you. This is the mock drill on firefighting and an awareness program that was conducted by the fire officers at Prakasham district, Ongole town. Please click on the video to see. Here is a girl who is operating fire extinguisher to put off the fire. Her name is Himaja of class 8th that time. Please click on the video to watch. A mock drill on disaster management under safety and security. The time taken for the first time was 52 seconds and the second time was 38 seconds only. Please click on the video. Sapling plantation was done with the help of forest department at JNV Ongole Prakasham 1 near workshop. Please see the photographs. Thank you. I worked as a member of panel inspection committee at JNVs of East Godavari and Guntur districts of Andhra Pradesh as a chemistry subject expert. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to the dignitaries. I also worked as a member of panel inspection committee at JNVs of Krishna and Annam districts also. Thank you. I am giving only sample slides of academic work done by me for class 12th due to time constraint. Polymer chemistry class 12th. Kinds of polymers and examples are given here. Addition polymers, condensation polymers, three-dimensional network polymers, etc. Classification can be done in different ways. Anyway, addition polymers, polythene, polystyrene, PVC, Teflon, neoprene, rubber, etc. Condensation polymers, nylon 66, nylon 6, polyester, polyamides, etc. Three-dimensional network polymers, bakelite, melamine, etc. Here are some biopolymers. Examples were given. Of course, there are biodegradable polymers also. Generally, we take some capsules. We swallow some capsules which has a polymer of biodegradable one. So many kinds of polymers are in our life. Without polymers, our life cannot be imagined. Please read the points here that were given. Thank you. Polymer articles around us. What are the polymers that we find in the picture? TV, stabilizer, remote, bucket and mug, chair, plate, water bottle, coconut oil bottle, insulation of wires, switchboard, spares of fan and PVC pipes, etc. We cannot imagine our life without all these articles. Thank you. Assignment questions. What do you mean by the term poly and mer? What are the uses of polystyrene? Differentiate between synthetic and natural polymers. How biopolymers are different from synthetic polymers. Name the monomer unit for nylon 6 polymer. Thank you. Homework. Task is as follows. Collect the plastic materials at your home and name the monomer units of each item that was collected by you. Take the pictures of few items and paste in a scrap notebook. Write the uses of each item that was collected in the book. Thank you.